Welcome to Saaltlab, your audience, your flavor, your growth.
Hey y'all, I am Shane. I am the creator behind multiple brands that makes creative based on data, not just guess. And I am here to help bring your creative vision to life. In this video, here is what you will discover. Let's dive in. Whee! All right, so first things first, we are going to go to create a design right here. Let's go ahead and make us a nice, beautiful square, 1080 by 1080 pixels. Create new design, just like that. All right, so we will go over to our uploads, and I'm gonna go ahead and select this picture here, right? And I'm gonna make this big. I'm gonna make it to the size of the square here. Bam. All right, cool. All right, so I got that. So what I'll do now.
Hey, if you run one or multiple businesses like me, they ain't got time for all this.
We don't have time for that.
Right? I get it. You'd rather have someone else do the work. So go to our website at saaltlab.com and select an unlimited plan that fits all of your business's design needs in Canva, plus more. You can pause or cancel anytime. The link is in the description below. So use code SALTY24 to get $100 off your first month. Also sign up for our newsletter for more practical tips on how to make more money in your business with good design and powerful tools. The link is below. Okay, cool. Let's jump back in.
Is I'll go to elements and I'm gonna go to frame right here, and then I will select this circle right there, and then all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this picture, hold it, and then drag and drop it right into there. Bam. And I have my beautiful circle, crop circle picture right here. So I mean, I could do a few things here. I can put a border around it if I want, you know, make it big, small, however I want to do. And you could do the same thing with all these different frames here. You have lots of different options all right in here.
Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Until next time, God bless and go out and create something great.